Hello class 5. Today we will do English language class, and here as we were doing chapter number 9 adjectives, isn't it? In the previous class we have done page number 55 and exercise number C, and in this class we will do the same page number 55, and the exercise number is exercise number D. Okay, so open your book at page number 5555. This is page number 55 of your book, and this is exercise number D. Let us see what is to be done here. Okay, I hope all of you can do it. See number D. I'll read the question loudly for you. Fill in the blanks with the correct degrees of adjectives given in the brackets. So beside each sentence an adjective is given. Okay, we have to read the sentence and understand which form of adjective or which degree of adjective is to be used. Okay, so we need to read the sentences properly, then we will be able to find out that which degree of adjective we have to make use of in each of the sentence, taking help of the adjective given in the bracket. Clear? Is it clear? Now, so let us start. Fill in the blanks with the correct degrees of adjectives given in the brackets. Number 1 is, this garden is dash than that garden. This garden is than that garden. So beautiful. So beautiful, which form of beautiful we will use? Which degree of comparison? Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. We know that, isn't it? The comparative form is more beautiful and the superlative is most beautiful, isn't it? But here in the sentence we can see that then is used. So it will help us to select the correct, to choose the correct forms of degree of comparison, isn't it? So here what we'll write, this garden is more beautiful than that garden. We are comparing two gardens, isn't it? So this garden is, we'll write more beautiful. Write down more, M-O-R-E, more, than beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, more beautiful. This garden is more beautiful than that. Okay, then that garden. Clear? Now come to number 2. Solomon was the dash of man, and in the bracket wise is given. So as we have seen, the is written, the definite article the is used, and we are not comparing Solomon to a particular person. Here what we'll write, Solomon is the wisest. So W-I-S-E-S-T, wisest. Solomon is the wisest, isn't it, of men. We are comparing Solomon with all, everyone, isn't it? So number 3, Shakespeare was the dash dramatist of the world. So is the, so he is the greatest dramatist of the world. So we'll write here G-R-E-A-T-E-S-T, greatest. We are writing, giving the superlative form of great. Done? Okay. Then number 4, your handwriting is dash than mine. I'm comparing than mine, you and me. So good. As then is used here, so what is the comparative form of good? Better. Your handwriting is better than mine. Your handwriting is better than mine. Done? Then number 5, this chapter is that dash than the previous one, difficult. So what is the comparative form here? Then is used, so definitely comparative, more difficult. This chapter is more, M-O-R-E, more difficult, D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, more difficult. This chapter is more difficult than the previous one. Done? Now come to number 6. June is the dash month of the year. So is the hot, then as the is used, so hottest, H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest. June is the hottest month of the year. Okay, fine. You're getting my points. Number 6, 7. Number 7 is iron is the dash metal. Again so iron is the most useful. most, most, useful, most useful. This way, iron is the most useful metal. Now number 8. Number 8 is Neha is the dash girl of all. We are comparing Neha with all the other girls. So intelligent. So and that is also written here. Neha is the then most intelligent. most, most intelligent. intelligent. Most intelligent. Neha is the most intelligent girl of all, isn't it? Neha is the most intelligent girl of all. Now number 9. Abhas is dash than me. Then is you. So careful, more careful. Abhas is more careful than me. Is it clear, children? Are you getting my points? Now number 10 is Ashok Street is then Elgin Road. Now narrow. Then we are comparing Ashok Street with Elgin Road. So narrow, the comparative degree will be narrower. 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 Clear? Then come to 11. Number 11. My pen is then Rohan's pen. My pen is then Rohan's pen. Obviously comparative degree cheap. So cheaper. 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 Okay. Now come to number 12. Hilton Hotel is the dash hotel in the town, in the whole town, and the adjective given here is also cheap. So Hilton Hotel is the cheaper, cheapest. So I am comparing Hilton Hotel with all the hotels in the town. So it will take superlative form. Is the cheapest. 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 Done. Now number 13. The elephant is the dash land animal. And within bracket large is given. So elephant is the largest. So largest. Largest. Elephant is the largest land animal. Done. Now come to number 14. Lata is the dash badminton player of our club. We are comparing Lata with all the other players in our club. So good. So is the. This it will certainly take best, isn't it? The superlative form of good is best. This way, Lata is the best player. Now come to number 15. My uncle has dash book then my father. Now I am comparing the books of my uncle with my father's book. So in the bracket much is given. So obviously my uncle has more. The comparative form of much is more. Okay, more books than my father. My uncle has more books than my father. Then Julie is number 16. Julie is dash in class than her friends. So Julie is in the bracket we have found attentive. So Julie is in class than her friends. So I am comparing Julie. Then is given. See. So here as then is given we'll write more attentive. More attentive. attentive. In the class than her friends. So here more attentive. Okay, now come to the last one. My new shoes are dash than my old shoes. Bad. So what is the comparative form of bad? Worse. So the spelling is W-O-R-S-E. W-O-R-S-E. Worse. My new shoes are worse than my old shoes. Okay. So this way children we have completed exercise number D. Making use of, we have used the adjective and the correct degrees of the adjective in each of the sentences. And by this way we have completed page number 55. Now come to page number 56. More three are there. Okay, turn your page to page number 56. Number 18, our teacher will teach us the lesson in the book tomorrow. Important means the is given, so what is the superlative degree of important? The most important. Space is less, this way you can write the most important lesson, this way you can write the most important lesson in the book tomorrow. Number 19, this is the, again the dash, room in the house, comfortable. So what you'll write? Comfortable, more than one syllable word, then you'll write this room is the most, most, most comfortable, comfortable. This room is the most comfortable room in the house. Now come to number 20, the last one. Ronnie is the dash person I have ever met. So interesting, more than two syllables. So Ronnie is the most interesting, most, most, then interesting, interesting, most interesting person I have ever met. Okay, done this page. Okay, so this way we have completed exercise number D of chapter 9. You write it properly and send it for correction. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.